Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. KP9, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Wow, 4 of Wands, 11-11 card. The Star, Page of Swords and the 9 of Wands, King of Wands, 3 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Pentacles, and the Temperance. So may energy tayo dito ng Sagittarius, Aquarius. So someone here, may nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon. Ini-stalk ka nitong taong to. Mari nakilala mo to sa social media, kaya more on sa social media ka ini-stalk. And parang nagre-research din siya about you. Parang investigador ang peg, ganun. Iniimbestigahan ka niya. Gusto niyang malaman lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. We have the fish, waterfalls, deep well. So, ang lakas ng water energy dito. Very emotional. Bonfire, hourglass, and compass. Bottom card natin, closed book. So, maring person from the past na ito or nakilala mo na siya matagal na. And for some of you, parang ang bilis lang ng mga pagkakataong ito. Parang ang bilis lang ng connection na, or communication na connection nyo na itong taong to na wala rin agad. Parang ang ikli ng panahon na ibinigay sa inyo. Tingnan natin, Tarot Messages, Oracle Cards. Sorry I'm wasted. I want to see you this weekend. Tired and need rest. Giving up. Can we start again? I want a family with you. Letting you go and walking away. I want commitment. Patiently waiting. So, matagal na naghihintay ito. Nag-let go na siya sa'yo noon. Pero, ayan, this person really want to start again. Gusto niya magkita kayo. Meet up. Lalo na kung hindi pa kayo nagkikita personally. Gusto niyang gawin yun. Gusto kanya makita personally. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. You speak to me through music. So, mari nakaka-receive ka ng mga messages through music na galing sa kanya. So, matagal na kayo magkakilala nito. You and I were too young. I bury myself in work to forget you. I do I'm really from you. I feel you leaving me behind. We need to let each other go. So many things remind me of you. So kahit na nag-let go siya sa'yo, hindi kanya nakalimutan. Natakot pa siya na kontakin ka ngayon. I'm afraid to contact you. Tingnan natin message ng Archangels. Compassion by Archangel Zadkiel. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. manifestation and passion. So, minamanifest ka pa rin itong taong to. Reminiscing. So, iniisip niya yung past, yung mga nangyari noon. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter K. W, M, N, D, Q, F, U, P, O, J. Kahit sa Google Map, sa Google Map, tinitingnan niya yung location mo. Ayan. Maring alam niya na kung saan ka. Yung tirahan mo, location, address. Parang ang lakas ng investigator vibes itong taong to. Pati IP address, parang hacker, ganun. May hacker energy. Maring nagtry din siya na i-access yung mga accounts mo. Mga Facebook account, ganyan. So, matinding obsession. Pati mga friend list mo, ini-stalk nito. South PH, ex-lover, present lover, skin tag, funny, emotional. So, very emotional tong taon to. Alakas ng water moon energy niya. Eye contact, cute and chubby, party animal, athletic, soon, divine feminine, confusing, number 9, sarcastic, Aquarius, February, beautiful, other country, July, ayan o, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, neighbor, 2, amazing, and yeah, may mga plastic persons around you. Travel, kind-hearted, Cancer sign, and Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Maring Cancer moon or a strong water sign ang kanyang moon sign. Very emotional. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.